Hey family, it's the Common Sense Investor coming at you again with yet another video. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just going through that BOAS with AMC and you. And I'm just chronologizing our journey. What I want to do is say thank you to all our new subscribers. And to catch y'all up to date, this video, I'm going to try to keep it short, is to explain where we're at and what we're doing. I'll discuss today's price action in just a little bit. But first, what we've done is we've identified the different fractals inside of the cycle. And this particular one is the one we settled down on. We wanted to look at real close. And what we found was it had a time frame that it went through where it went down and up. Then it hit a consolidation period, the volume box, which means a whole bunch of volume, 1.4 billion volume came in, caused it to shoot up to 20, and then the buy button was taken. And then we entered into this consolidation period, and then we had a rip up. So with that information, we was able to carbon copy that fractal over here in today's time frame. And the way it worked was we entered into the fractal and we completed the fractal time frame. We entered into a consolidation period, and the next step should have been our volume box, where 1.4 billion volume would come in right here. And we should have, because you notice Anchorage Capital fell, and Tribune, I think it's pronounced, that's that Chinese one, fell, and we should have gotten the 1.4 billion, but something happened. The algorithm program changed. Instead of the volume increasing and us going up, the volume has decreased and we have been pushed down. So what we've done is come over here to TradingView. There will be a link down below if you're not in TradingView. We mapped it out here, and then I started watching this price action, and I'm looking for patterns. And I found that number one, which showed up on 17 December, repeated itself over here on December 30th. And the big W2 was on the 20th, and it appeared again on the 29th. Anyway, we found five different patterns that was going on right here. And what happened was it was keeping us inside of this price action. We call it consolidation, but what it's doing is it's keeping us inside of this price action. That's the purpose of the new algorithm. And I call it the hold pattern. And then I got to laughing. I said, you know what? Over here, I believe that when they changed their strategy against us, they took the buy button away so they could cover. You can watch my video on why they took the buy button. But they went to crying so hard for the buy button to return. So they said, you know what? Fuck them. Turn it on. Sell. If they want to buy it, sell it to them. And then it got worse. And then we bounced around inside of this consolidation box, which now I call the buying pattern, because that's when they caught on that they could dip this stock and we would buy it. They could dip this stock and we can buy it, or would buy it. But eventually it led to the rip to 726. And that's just a little quick update. Well, I guess I got to finish what's going on over here. According to this fractal, we should have hit this volume box. When we hit that volume box, it should have spiked up to 200. That's what Rico was talking about. That's what should have happened, but it didn't. Then we were supposed to go into the warning box, bounce in the consolidation box, and then a rip up to 720, and the pattern would have started over. But it's been interrupted right here in our current time frame. Right there. And I came over here and I started mapping it because I could do a better job over here. And now I see we're in a hold pattern. And I'm going to discuss what today's price action, what happened. in the next video. Love y'all.